Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Tonight I'm going to make some fried mee siam for my family for dinner. What are you all cooking for tonight's dinner? Let Appa know, comment in the comment section below, yeah? Now, fried mee siam, usually when we use the word mee siam here, we are referring to fried bihun, which is the spicy type, yeah? And there are many different versions, so this is the version Appa personally like. What do we have here? I have some bihun, yeah? And also some veggie. Most of the time they use tauge. I don't have tauge with me today, so I put in some cabbage. And you want to slice it, yeah? You want to slice it. That is most important. Then let's take a look at how do we make the sambal. I have about 4 to 5 pieces of big chilies, meaning it will give you beautiful reddish color but not spicy at all. I can't cook spicy because spicy my family cannot take. I am the only person in the family who loves spicy. So, and I think that's always the most interesting part about spicy food. Being reddish, it really opens up your appetite, but not all people can take the spiciness. So we, for the home cook, we need to learn how to manage and control the spiciness of the dishes. So learn how to use different kinds of chili to achieve different kinds of result. So this one, big chili, not spicy, beautiful reddish color. You can also use dried chili, but dried chili usually quite spicy. So, and then we have 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, 2 shallot, and I have 1 roasted, this is, if you have it, do put it in, roasted Belacan powder. And this one will really enhance the flavor. This is approximately 2 tablespoons of coarsely chopped dried shrimp, yeah, habi, yeah, dried shrimp, or if you don't have habi at home, you can use dried ikan bilis also. Either these two, yeah, and you coarsely chop it up. And we shall prep the bihun first, and then we will make the chili and combine two together. So you want to prepare 1 pot of boiling water. We shall put in a bit of salt, a bit of oil. This is more towards Taiwanese style to prepare the bihun, to prep the bihun, so that the bihun later can be very springy and it won't broken easily. So put in your bihun, and we only want to cook it under boiling water for exactly 1 minute, 60 seconds. After 60 seconds, it will be softened and it will be like 70 or 80% cooked. After which, you want to get ready a pot at the side. I'm cooking for 3 adults, therefore 3 pieces of bihun I'm using here. Approximately 45 grams each, I was told from the packet. Right, you want to loosen your bihun up. And right now is 60 seconds. Get ready your pot at the side. And you want to take out the bihun, the softened bihun, put into the pot right now. Next thing, cover this with a lid and let it rest aside. It will continue to cook the bihun through, and later the bihun will be super springy. And so get ready your blender, put in the chili. I like to use fresh chili to make sambal because I don't have to soak. If I'm using a dried chili, you have to soak. And it's easier to control the spiciness using fresh chili as well. We shall add a little bit of water. Not too much. You just want to add in a little bit of water to ease the blending process. Close it. On the power. If you put too much water, the water will splatter out actually. Right? No need to be very fine. Put a little bit of oil here. Actually, we can put a bit more oil. Anything with chili paste, feel free to have more generous oil, yeah? And you can put in the dried shrimp, the heavy first. You want to saute until the fragrance release. Actually, almost immediately I can smell the nice fragrance coming out from the heavy, the smell of the sea. But it's not fishy. Right, about 20-30 seconds, good enough. Next thing, you can tune down the fire a bit and add in the blended chili paste. Look at how reddish it is, but I guarantee you, it is not spicy. Now we can raise the heat to medium or medium high. And you really want to spend the next couple of minutes to slowly saute, get the reddish chili oil out. Meaning, let's give it a little bit. Oh, this is light soy sauce. Let's give it a oil, a bit more oil, yeah. And keep on sauteing this for the next couple of minutes. Now, if you are using heavier, the dried shrimp, meaning it is already salted, so later you want to be careful, go light with your salt. Also, the belacan powder is also salty. So this is after about 3-4 minutes sauteing using a medium or medium high heat. Don't let it get burnt, yeah? And I'm going to put in some salt, this is sugar, to balance up the flavor a bit. And once the sugar gets caramelized, the color will get even darker and nicer. Right, so next thing is to add in the chicken stock. I'm going to use the fastest way to create a chicken stock, which is to get ready a small bowl of hot water, and we will put in some of my cooking appa chicken stock powder, 100% natural. Also safe with kids, yeah? Give it about 1.5 teaspoons. Don't put in too much water, because you don't want your bihun to be too soft. I'm adding half of it first. Now we can raise the heat to medium high. Put in the veggie. Now you want to really properly season this before you add in the bihun, so that later your bihun will taste more evenly. Sorry. I'm going to give it a little bit of light soy sauce, few dashes of white pepper, and you can start seeing the veggie has started to become a bit softer with some sauce, not too much of sauce. It cannot be too soupy, if not you're going to ruin your fried bihun. So next thing, our bihun here is still inside the pot. Right? Use a scissor to give it a few cuts so that it's easier for you to stir fry. Now we can actually, hot, but very, very fluffy. Not sure if you can feel this. See? Very fluffy, very springy. And we shall put this bihun into the sauce. Go back to the wok. Here. And now all you want to do is to mix everything nicely together, and you don't really have to fry because the bihun is already cooked. You just want to make sure your bihun nicely soak out all the sambal sauce. Then it's done. And by doing this, by keeping the stir fry session slower, your bihun will not break. It's basically done. Now I can even off the fire. See? You can add some fried egg if you like, up to you. But my mee siam is done. See how simple it is. And it doesn't break into pieces. So here's my fried bihun. If you like, you can actually garnish some fried onion on top. And some fresh coriander if you have it. Right, done. Here's my very simple fried bihun. And some people will like to add in tamarind, asam. I don't like it, so for mee siam lah. So up to you. This is home cooking. There's no rule in Abba's kitchen. You decide how you want to cook it for your family. So I hope, and I will actually fry some fried egg later to go with it. So if you like my very simple video today, do share my video out on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Abba Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Abba on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Abba YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.